report for today. I only have a on the reply cleaner. We had a conversation with Sir Cedric about the things that needs to, or more like clarify for the part where she does not understand on well, on how to proceed with a certain step onto the guide. Then after that, I just continue with the error for the word check connecting requested by the client. Then after that, I just report it to Jamie or Sir Joseph, and we had a meeting for this one. Is for some part that needs to be clarified or that needs to be addressed. For example, Sir Joseph told me that the issue for the mobile and the layout correction or update for the mobile also. And after that, I tried to apply it and I encountered some problem with the mobile device, which I tried to drag from point A to point B. It causes the page to move to another component or move to the next component. So I tried to fix that one and also added a delete icon or delete feature on the connection, which would at least easily understand that it can delete the connection. Now, I already sent the video for the progress of this word check, and I think after this, I may proceed with the saving the progress of the user and implement it. Well, it depends on the client decision if they want to proceed with this with this type of display. Uh, and I think that's all for my report for today. Oh, I also have like checked the PR of Sir Cedric for reply cleaner and update the server or tried to run the command on the server requested by Sir RJ. And that's all. Thank you.